Welcome to the world of Mitsubishi Spyder, where performance and exhilaration meet luxury and convenience at the touch of a button. Mitsubishi Spyder, the world's only production sports car with a retractable hardtop. The safety and security of driving a coupe, the carefree enjoyment of driving a convertible. For most people, such diversity requires two cars, but not for you. You own Mitsubishi Spyder. One automobile, two personalities, endless possibilities. During the next 10 minutes, you'll be taken on a personal guided tour of the key features and important items you need to keep in mind as the owner of the one and only Mitsubishi Spyder. Mitsubishi Spyder is the unique result of the creative union between the technological sophistication of Mitsubishi Motors and the innovative convertible top-building expertise of ASC Incorporated. It is one of the most exciting vehicles on the road today, and the secret to this singular motoring experience lies with two buttons on the center console. When operating the top, it is recommended that the engine be running, the parking brake set, the manual shifter in neutral, or the automatic shifter in park. To open the top, simply press the left button on the center console to the open position and hold it down, while your hardtop sports coupe transforms into an open-top sports convertible. A little more than 30 seconds is all that's needed. When the beeping sound changes to a continuous tone and stops, you're ready to ride with the wind. And when you reach your destination, security and peace of mind are quickly at hand, because Spyder's hardtop is always ready for you. Just press and hold the close position on the left button. In consideration of your safety and well-being, the top will pause just short of reaching the windshield. Now simply release the button, then press and hold the button again in the closed position to secure the top completely. There is no need to turn any latches by hand. Even the windows raise automatically. When the beeping sound changes to a continuous tone and stops, the top is securely in place. The fully lined trunk should be accessed with the parking brake set. To raise the hard tonneau, press and hold the open position of the right-hand button on the center console. Spyder has ample storage space in the trunk for smaller items. To lower the hard tonneau, press and hold the closed position of the right-hand button. When you choose to lower the top, the rear trunk compartment must be completely empty. A pressure-sensitive pad lines the trunk floor. If it detects an object's weight, it will only allow the top to open halfway. Open-top motoring requires that all items be stowed in the ample fold-down rear storage area. Nothing may be placed in the trunk compartment. In the case of items that are too small or lightweight to place pressure on the pad, the top will retract until it touches the object. Then a sensor will cause the top to reverse to the halfway position. You should also avoid storing heavy objects in the trunk for long periods of time, as this can gradually deform the sensor pad and possibly impair its operation. As a convertible lover, you will quickly come to appreciate the ease of caring for your Spyder. With no plastic window or fabric roof, many automatic brushless car washes are available to you. When detailing, the rubber seals around the top and along the top section division should be cleaned and conditioned regularly. This will help keep them flexible and maximize their sealing efficiency. For further care instructions, please see your owner's manual. The retractable top mechanism and components are adjusted to precise tolerances, so placing racks on the trunk or on the roof is not possible. You should also never sit on the hard tonneau behind the rear seats. Doing so could hinder operation of the hardtop. In the unfortunate event that the retractable hardtop does not function, you should take the vehicle to your nearest Mitsubishi dealer. Manual raising should only be done under extreme conditions. However, if manual operation is required, here is a step-by-step explanation of the procedure. As a precaution against accidentally scratching the paint surfaces or possible injury, you will want to take off any jewelry you might be wearing on your fingers or wrists. If you decide to perform this manual operation yourself, you will need assistance from another person. You'll also want to ensure the vehicle is parked on level ground. If the door windows are up and the top needs to be raised manually, be sure to keep the doors open while putting the top into place. To open the hard tonneau, first go to the right rear passenger side, fold down the rear seat back, and pull away the carpeting patch behind the rear seat. Reach in the access opening and rotate the black bypass valve handle clockwise about a quarter turn until it stops. Next, open the driver's door and pull up on the hard tonneau release lever along the driver's side door sill. Now grasp the hard tonneau along both sides. Make sure you place your hands near the front and side center positions. Slowly lift the hard tonneau all the way up. With the hard tonneau in the raised position, reach into the right rear passenger side access opening and turn the hydraulic valve handle counterclockwise, back to its original position. This will close the valve and help keep the hard tonneau open. You may experience a very gradual lowering of the lid. This is caused by the natural bleeding effect of hydraulic mechanisms. So, whenever possible, one person should support the hard tonneau to minimize this. Next, reach into the compact disc player compartment behind the passenger side rear seat. Pull out the top wrench and place it on the front passenger seat. You'll need this tool in a moment to secure the top to the windshield header. Now go to the left rear passenger area. Lower the rear seat back, reach back under the top ledge and pull back the other carpet patch as before. Reach in the access opening and rotate the black bypass valve handle clockwise about 1/4 turn until it stops. This opens the hydraulic valve for the top mechanism. You are now ready to manually raise the top. Start by placing your hands underneath the sides of the top's forward section. Lift the top smoothly in one continuous slow motion. As you do, be sure to keep your hands clear of the top's hinges to avoid getting them caught between the unfolding sections of the top. The top is spring counterbalanced to provide assistance. Pull the hardtop until it rests on the windshield header. Next, get into the Spyder from the driver's side. Using the screwdriver end of the top wrench, remove the Mitsubishi HomeLink transmitter from the windshield header. Pull it down and to one side. Behind it is the manual access opening to the top locking mechanism in the header. Insert the square top wrench fitting into the center hole. Then rotate the top wrench counterclockwise about 1/2 turn. Gently push up on the top to confirm that it is securely fastened to the header. Now place the HomeLink transmitter back into the opening and reinstall the unit in place with the top wrench. With the top now secure, place the top wrench back in the compact disc compartment. Then on the right rear passenger side, reach back into the hydraulic valve access opening and turn the valve handle a 1/4 turn clockwise. This will once again open the valve, allowing you to close the hard tonneau. Now lower the hard tonneau and push it down until a click is heard. Once again, reach into the right passenger side access opening and turn the valve handle counterclockwise 1/4 turn until it stops, and close the access opening cover. Finally, reach into the left rear passenger side access opening and turn the valve handle counterclockwise until it stops. Then close the access opening cover. Your hard tonneau is now secure. The quarter windows cannot be closed manually. It is recommended that you attempt to lower them by pressing the close position of the left console button. However, if there is no power left, they will have to remain open. Once the top has been manually raised, take your Spyder to the nearest Mitsubishi dealer to have the top mechanism reset so that automatic operation can resume. the vehicle should be examined to determine why the top would not work automatically. Your Spyder is equipped with a convenience feature that is quite unique: the Mitsubishi Home Link system. Built into the center of the windshield header, Mitsubishi Home Link can be trained to open the security gate of your community or private residence. It can open selected garage doors, and it can also turn the lights on in your home as you drive up, when used with the optional home lighting package available from your dealer. As the owner of a Spyder, you will receive the highest level of customer assistance and support Mitsubishi Motor Sales of America can offer. Our roadside assistance program provides free towing to your nearest Mitsubishi dealer or authorized service center. This is provided should your Spyder become inoperable due to warrantable failure within the first 3 years or 36,000 miles of ownership. In addition, you will also have the use of a free rental or loaner vehicle for up to 5 days should any warrantable repairs require more than 1 day for service. Our concierge service coordinator is also available to assist you should it be necessary to make hotel or air travel arrangements. For complete details concerning these programs and any restrictions that may apply, please refer to your Owner's Manual Supplement, or visit your Mitsubishi Motors dealer. Spyder by Mitsubishi is one of the most exclusive sports cars on the road, and it is the only production sports car with a retractable hardtop available today. But its true distinction lies in one simple fact: it's yours.